Hi guys, and now in this day I make this donut from tutorial of the channel, and how you see 1 minute, how you see uh, this composting, and I in part of composting, and I now trying to 3D models on Blender because when I programming I can't do normal 3D objects. It's will be very bad. Second, I try make in Godot not game, but I can understand how to work this app platforms. And first I do in install it because it's fun. Second, I try to the network system because I want to learn a network system, and I of bots. Okay, in this system, how works this system? We make two button, host and a joint, and the camera multiplayer spawner, and we in main scene make script, and first is we make var peer from equal in multiplayer peer library, and we export player scene, this player scene to this script. How you see this player scene. 1 minute. Second, on ready camera we connect with our camera, and when we pressed the host button, we create the server, peer creates the server, and the multiplayer peer equal peer. Second, multiplayer peer connected with added player, and do function add player. This function var player var equal player scene this player scene. Okay, next we give player name this number. Second, call deferred we add child to player. Okay, when we press button join, have make this process. Okay, in the player 3D we make rigid body, mesh, collision shape, and the camera 3D, and the multiplayer synchronizer. The multiplayer synchronizer work with multiplayer spawner, and the multiplayer synchronizer translate rigid body position, and we can add and change these options. Okay, second, we give scripts on rigid body 3D. We can we take camera 3D, and constantly we give speed our rigid body 3D. Next, enter we make our rigid body in main scene. Make do this code, and second, when our rigid body instantiate, come this moment code is not correct, but I am explain you. Concurrent equal multiplayer is authority or multiplayer is connected. Second, function physical process in delta mean is computer have worked fast, and if we connect, we can press these buttons, and we can move our object. Okay, how this work? We can move, and we can to host. Okay, but we can't join this main host. We can join. Okay, try again. Okay, we make host. Second, we can join. Have you see? But this system worked not correct because I take this tutorial from to the tutorial video to the tutorial, and I try translate this tutorial to search the okay, and this is my first time learn Godot, because make it problem with Unity, and last time when I can't save my game because Unity is a very large massive program, and I can't save my game, and I change Godot because this weight not large or small, and open source system Godot because Unity change yourself politics, and I think Godot is best based mean for do game. Okay, let's do game, make game with me, and subscribe, and goodbye, good luck.